Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to transfer from Visa gift card to PayPal. So firstly, open up PayPal and log into your PayPal account. So once you've logged into your PayPal account here, so what you're going to do, you're going to go to your payment method, or you can simply click on add card or link, add card or bank. So because we're going to add your card first, so click on that, and then what you're going to do is click on link a debit or credit card option, click on it. So once you click on these here, what you're going to do, enter your card details of your Visa gift card, especially on the card type. Make sure you select Visa because it's a Visa gift card. So make sure you select that and plug in all these details, hit on link card and get the linking done. So once you have linked your card, so now that your card is linked to your PayPal here, so now you can simply transfer money to any PayPal account. So for example, like anyone here, you can simply send money to your, whether it's on own account or someone else, you can just go to that, send money, and then type in the amount. Make sure you have sufficient amount in your card, type that in, hit on next, and then complete the transaction. So that's how you can transfer from your Visa gift card, because when you do this transaction, the money will be deducted from your Visa gift card as you have already linked it, and that's pretty much it is. So I hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.